Today we're going to go through actually writing code. So how do we do that? You need to be familiar with what an IDE is. So an IDE is a development environment where you write your code, run your code, it'll tell you the errors all in one program. So I'm just choosing a program that I prefer. I know that you can use Eclipse, which is a free IDE, which you can use to develop Java in, although I don't find it super user-friendly. I'm more a fan of JetBrains. Everything JetBrains is great. They have an IDE for basically every single language. So we're going to go through how to download that IDE and run some code in it. So basically go to jetbrains.com. IntelliJ IDEA is the Java version. So we're going to go ahead and click download. And then once we get here, don't be fooled, this is the paid version. This download here, you only get a 30-day subscription. So you actually need to go to the other versions. Okay, once you go here, you scroll down until you see the community edition. This is the free version, and you can just download there.
I'll let you run through the installation. It's just a normal software install, but I will run you through this bit. So the most important part is to create associations with the .java. This will basically just open the .java files in IntelliJ. So we can also do Gravel and Groovy. These are just common file types associated with Java. It's not absolutely necessary, but I do think that you should tick this one at the very least. Add open folders project. This is great. Sometimes when you download folders or GitHub repositories, you can right click on the folder and open it inside IntelliJ. It's much faster. So I definitely recommend that. Obviously, this is a desktop shortcut. You can choose if you want that or not. And then add bin folder to the path allows you to run IntelliJ inside your command line. This is optional. I mean, all of them are technically optional. This one I won't do just for now. So that's the walkthrough of how to select what you need.
Okay, so you should have IntelliJ installed. I'll just run you through how to set up a project, and then we'll write our first line of code in the next video. If it asks you to import anything, any settings, just say no for now and skip it. So we click new project. You can just write something like, or we'll say hello world.
And then all we have to do is keep that sample code. If you don't have an open JDK, you can just click download JDK. And then you can select here just the latest version, make sure it's Oracle Open JDK, and just click select. And then click create.
Once you've opened up your project, it will come with a line break automatically and a lot of pre-fill code. So this is great for us. We don't have to think too hard about how we're starting our program. This is great for beginners. You can just click this circle, it'll go away. And then I'll just show you how to run this program, and then we'll go through some code examples later in a different video. So what we're going to do just to run this code is to click the play here and then run main. And then it'll load down the bottom. And now we can see it's outputted. It loops through 5, and then it prints I equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've also got this hello and welcome, which is printed earlier as well. So we've now run our first block of code, and we'll get into actually programming in the next video. Thanks.